Hi, let's discuss about an interesting case in our Jayashree Liberty Hospitals. Hi, this is Dr. Vishali, anesthesiologist and critical care consultant in Jayashree Liberty Hospital. So there's been a case which came to our hospital, patient of around 40 years and weight around 150 kilos. He came with a complaint of lower limb pain to our hospital, and our team of doctors has examined. He's been posted for spine surgery. So it's a very difficult and challenging task for our team of doctors in our hospital since the patient comes under category of morbid obese. So utmost care has to be taken during anesthesia and during the surgery, and also the positions, which is very important. So at our hospital we have considered this patient with utmost care, and all the required needs has been done and investigations, and after that patient has been posted. So during the anesthesia, the most important thing that need to be given for this patient is RAM position. So after the RAM position has been given, the patient has been intubated, and since the spine surgery requires prone position, this patient has been shifted to prone from supine with very utmost care, and proper padding is done to the patients, and after which the surgery has been started, and surgery went uneventful, and patient post-op extubated very well, and patient been followed up in the post-op, and patient been discharged very happily. So this is a very interesting case in our hospital. So for more updates, kindly follow Jayashree Liberty Hospitals. Thank you.